Shall we do an experiment? Yes. So, can you take a measuring cylinder?
Now, can you take 25 ml of water in the measuring cylinder?
You pour it in the first cup. Can you add 2 drops of red and 2 drops of yellow in the water? Okay. Can you stir the red color first?
Yes.
Okay. Can you put 2 drops of yellow now?
Yes.
Now can you take 1 scoop of citric acid
Yes.
and put it in another cup?
Now, can you take 1 scoop of baking soda and add it into the cup? Now, can you take the stirrer and stir these two?
Yes.
Now can you take the orange water and pour it into the mixing?
Yes.
See, what do you see? It's a fizz. How is the magic? Do you see the magic?
Yes.
Now touch the water. You will see the feel. Touch it with your finger. How is it?
It is cold.
Oh, wonderful. Stay tuned with us. Happy learning. Have fun.
Like, share and subscribe to Saregama Kids Fun.